So today, if you're watching this video, it's because 1, you may be stuck in a common law marriage. 2, you want to know if you're in a common law marriage, how you plan for your estate, how you plan for your life, and how you plan for the distribution of your assets when you pass away. Or maybe you're just curious and you want to know and get knowledge about those things. But regardless of what brought you to this video, welcome. During this video, we're going to talk about the dangers of a common law marriage when it comes to estate planning. So what exactly is a common law marriage? If you live in the great state of Texas, you know that if you're in a common law marriage and you have held yourself out as being married, what does that exactly look like? You're out with your friends, family, whoever, and you call your significant other, that's my wife, that's my husband, and society begins to recognize you as being married. Your friends and family refer to that person as, yeah, that's John's spouse. And you never correct them. In fact, you hold yourself out, and to you and Jane, to you and that other person, to you and Jim, you are married in your eye. Then the next one is that you intend that everyone treats you as being married. And then you live together as husband and wife, and you have that conscious intention for being married. Then in Texas, that's a common law marriage, and your spouses, and if you want to end your relationship, you will have to actually go through the divorce process to do that. For many people, when it comes to estate planning though, they're in this marriage or maybe marriage, and then one of them pass away. Then you have a tremendous problem with the people left behind, because 1, you did not formalize your common law marriage with the informal marriage form, and you didn't file it with the county, and so there's no record that you recognize your marriage. And one spouse is deceased, and so they can't say, yes, that's my spouse, of course, she needs to inherit my property. So now you're stuck in court with family members who may be fighting against you. No, you're not a spouse, you're just a boyfriend, or you're just a girlfriend. And what does that mean for inheriting property that you and your spouse, while you were together, fought for, just totally dedicated your life for? What does that mean when it comes to estate planning? If you can clearly show that you were married, and if you had children together, your children are also the children of your deceased spouse, once you can establish your common law marriage, then yes, you'll inherit the estate. However, if you can't establish the common law marriage, and if the family is fighting against you, you may be left holding the bag. You may be left with a goose egg, with nothing. So if you're in a common law marriage, how do you protect your spouse? How do you utilize the estate planning tools? You utilize them in the same way that a married couple does, but you need to be even more deliberate with it. Because of the situation we're in, you may have the heirs at law fighting and claiming that you're not the spouse. So you want to make sure that you have the power of attorney, that you're listed on the power of attorney. You want to make sure that the will specifically lays you out as a spouse, and specifically as the distributee under the will. So if you want to talk to me more about this, or if you want to watch more of our videos on how to protect yourself if you're in a common law marriage, please subscribe, like us. You can even call us to make an appointment to speak to one of us. Again, my name is Fagan. Always a pleasure.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you. So please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.